Hello everybody! Today I am going to be playing Marvel Spider-Man 1 once again because I do not have a PS5 and I did see the gameplay of that new game and it's awesome. I mean some of the traversal tricks and whatnot and the way you can switch between mouths is awesome. Anyways, I did complete some of the heist off camera, but as you can see here I'm still completing some of it. And yeah, it's been kind of fun, but I'm gonna miss not be able to play Marvel Spider-Man 2 because of obvious reasons. I don't have a PS5, and hopefully they do make it where you can play it on the PC. But more than likely, they'll probably not. But then again, they probably could because we all know what they did last time. They said they weren't going to do it, or they at least they didn't say it specifically. I don't think, but they did it anyways. So hopefully. They do what they did last time and released on PC because I am hyped for this game. Like, be able to look at the gameplay, it's awesome, but being able to play it is a lot better. I can customize my own suit and get a pretty good, nice graphic design for the suit because they did say you can change between styles and whatnot, so you can get pretty much a lot of color from your suits. I hope next time they can make it work and like super customize your suit where you can go from lenses to stuff like that, which would be pretty interesting. But I don't think they're gonna do that because why? It's probably gonna be pretty difficult to do that, and you don't want to have to deal with a bunch of problems regarding your game because someone over customized their suit. So yeah, maybe just work on colors of a suit and whatnot, which would be pretty interesting. So that's my opinion. But anyways, I hope you enjoy this gameplay. I'm not the best at this game, especially since I haven't played it in a few months. Because yeah, I haven't played this game in a long time. But as you see here, I destroyed those dudes and made them look like straight fools. Because as you know, we don't play the criminals in New York, man, or anywhere. But yeah.
You won't if you don't.
Gosh, suit does kind of good though.
She told us to come down here and make some
I think
noise.
if it was Batman, he would have been a lot more scared because y'all
And
know
I'm the
Batman.
sucker.
He will
Where'd you
destroy
meet
you
her?
completely.
Bodega. Oh, wait,
And yeah. But anyways,
Oh,
Black
hey,
Cat over
Spider.
here. This is I don't think this is the first time seeing her in this specific game.
I like to
But
play.
yeah. Wait. Pause. That. Never mind. I'm just going to pretend she never said that. Why would you always? Never mind. But yeah, as you see here, I'm destroying those criminals. I'm getting hit a little bit because, again, I haven't played this game in a few months, so I'm not gonna be the best at it. But once I start playing more and more like I used to, I'm probably gonna get a lot better at combat, and it might probably unlock a bunch of stuff. So yeah, the way you can knock people off buildings in this game, and that sounds really weird saying out loud, but it's pretty crazy. I mean, I understand you web them up, but like at some point they're gonna fall.
I like watching you.
Bro, what?
Reminds me
Yeah,
of
Black Cat's giving stalker energy in my opinion. That's just my opinion though. Like it's giving stalker energy. But I mean,
Then why are you stealing?
Peter and Black Cat did have a
I
history
don't.
in this game, so I guess, but still seems a little weird saying it
Kill
out
my
loud.
son.
You cannot let this slide. Bro, where'd she even get that? And Peter, why didn't your Spidey sense tell you what would happen? Dude, you are. How do you not use your own powers? But anyways, let's talk more about Marvel Spider-Man 2 because it's
She stole another kid
probably
of
going to be
ours.
the best game of the year at this point because I'm loving it. A lot of people are loving it. It seems unreal that it came out on October 20th and it still feels like a dream. So, yeah, hopefully one day I do get to play that game because it looks awesome. And plus, being able to play as Peter and Miles without having to switch on an entire game, yeah,
You're out of
that
jail.
would be very nice. And Screwball, please just like go somewhere. I hate your missions because you always cause me to do crazy stuff and not failing or something. So please. And of course, we all have J. Jonah Jameson doing his usual thing and going crazy. But anyways, let's do this mission because why not? Let's destroy a couple of criminals, put them back in jail where they were supposed to originally be. But yeah. Anyways, let's talk about any other stuff. Any other games you want me to play other than Marvel Spider-Man that I like tonight? Fortnite, I'm thinking about it again. I'm not really sure because it's probably gonna take up like a bunch of storage on my computer, and between editing videos and playing games, yeah, it's gonna take up a lot. And I think it only has like a certain amount of gigabytes of
One thing
storage.
hasn't changed.
But yeah, so
Screwball's
I
getting
might
others
install
to do her
Fortnite, I
dirty.
might not. It depends on if I decide so. But if you all want me to play that game, then I will do it. I'm probably not going to be the best Fortnite player of all time, because again, I haven't played that game in like long as I can play this game. So, yeah, please let me know in the comments down
She's
below
using a
what you want me to
binary
play,
signal
and
repeater.
I'll do my
I can
best to be able
piggyback
to
on
play
it to
it,
visualize the right
or
path.
something like that.
Wait.
Minecraft, I haven't really played that game in a long time either. Last time I recently played it was like, actually, when's the last time I think I played it like a few
Gotta
months
keep
ago,
moving.
and I literally have it on my PC and I haven't opened this game at all. So I might delete it, I might not. It depends on what you think in the comments. Let me know because I'm always open to new suggestions. Also, I have been looking into Minecraft mods or whatnot, so I might spice up my videos by doing that by maybe a Spider-Man or the Flash or
Cops have
Batman
blocked
or
off the
something
whole
like that.
street.
Something along those lines to make my videos a little more
If I
interesting
can
because
pick
of
up the
course
cat's trail,
get more viewers
maybe
and
I can
make the
catch up
videos
to her.
interesting and yeah. And hopefully if you are a new viewer, please hit that like
Antique book.
subscribe button because well
Looks like it's
I
volume
kind of
2
need
of
it.
a
I'm trying to
set.
get to at least
Where's
by the
volume
end of
1?
this year, maybe 300
There's a
because
high-end
I
pawn
crushed
shop
my
owned by
goal
the Macho family around here.
this year already. So please, if you're a new
Magnesium flare.
subscriber
Probably
or
would burn that
viewer
guard's
or
eyes.
whatnot, please
If I analyze...
hit that
Got
like
it.
and subscribe button because the more you do that, I'll know what you want me to make
There's the
and
trail.
well, I'll be able
Let's
to
see
make
where
better
it leads.
content in general.
Having a
And
hard
also
time
more
finding
VFX
it.
videos coming out. I just gotta film
Looks
them.
like a member of the Macho
I really
crime
don't
family.
have like a lot of time to be filming those type of videos, but I soon will because we all know I love doing the Flash type of videos. Also, not just
And
the
here
Flash,
comes some
but
of his
any other
brothers.
character that doesn't use
Think maybe
VFX,
Vito got
like
KO'd
flying
for
and
acting
whatnot.
exactly
But I
like
do
this?
want to add some difficulty because
Kind
obviously
of insulted that you would even
doing
think that.
flying effects is pretty easy. I can literally go into CapCut, speed up my video, and add a little bit of distortion, After Effects, and I can be on my day. So yeah, think of other than something like Green Flash, maybe some CGI type stuff of me battling a model with a reverse Flash. Something pretty interesting that might gain a lot of viewers. Also,
Those look like
anything
Hammerhead's
that you want me to do on the channel in general, other than from games and from VFX, I'm
MJ,
trying my best at this
sending you a pic
because
of a plate I need
obviously
you to run.
trying to make sure
I'll let you know
I
what
do
I
what the
find.
people want to do,
Get it?
especially seeing me and playing these games. But yeah.
The hell? Where's the drive?
Great. Here, fellas. It's probably overdue. MJ, the cat got another data drive.
Just one more and Hammerhead has the drives from all the other Maggia families. We gotta figure out what's on those drives.
And there's something else. There's this thing. Probably not a big thing, but it could be a thing.
Peter, just spit it out, bro.
Maybe
Just
big
spit it out, man,
thing.
at this point.
Please say a sentence
You already
that
know
has
what's going on, especially for those of you who actually watched this DLC. Probably a lot of people haven't, but I have. I think, yeah, I've watched all the DLCs, including the Heist and Turf Wars, and of course the main story. I really wish they would have made another DLC just to add a little bit of spice to the game, but then again, it was already like 64 gigabytes if I'm right. So, yeah, so a lot of storage being put in your PC, so I'll take it. But yeah, hopefully, like I said, Marvel Spider-Man 2 does come to PC soon. I don't know, I'm going to do some more extensive research, see if they're actually going to do it, or if they're just going to actually call it quits on PC stuff and just continue on the PS5 and forth between the PS5, PS6, and whatever PlayStation comes out with when it comes to their hardware. Of course, the PS5 Slim did come out recently, so yeah, that'd be pretty interesting. It's a lot lighter, and you can actually attach and disattach the disk drive. And also, any tech reviews and whatnot you want me to do, please let me know because I'm always into newer pieces of tech. Especially me being a technological person who loves computers and phones and watches and all sorts of other gadgets that you can get into and put in your daily life. So yeah, let me know down below in the comments if you want me to review any technology from an average person in the daily life and see how it stands up to this point. Obviously, I do own an iPhone 6, and recently it's been pretty interesting. So let me know whatever you want me to use and see what you want me to make. Because obviously, again, I might start actually building stuff again like I used to. I might not. It depends. Just let me know in the comments. Uh, let's get this video to like 10, 20, 30 likes, maybe. Try doing that, because obviously, the more you like, the more I know what you want me to make, and I'll try making better content that way. If you want me to add any new games or any techniques to my gameplay, let me know. If you want me to do speed runs, I'm not really into speed runs because obviously it's going to be kind of like a rushy type of approach, and I'm not really used to that, but I could put myself under some tests and whatnot and see how good I can do under a certain amount of time. Probably, I haven't really done a Minecraft speedrun on this channel before. I might do that. I'm not sure. I've never really beat the game fully in Minecraft anyways. So,
Play harder to get
yeah, that might be a pretty confusing task to do, but yeah. Spider-Man 1 reference, people, especially with this whole upside downy thingamajig from Spider-Man 1. But anyways, yeah, anything else that you want me to do, let me know, people, because I'm always looking in the comments. Like, I literally respond to just about every comment I can, and yeah. Also, if you want me to play more of this game, let me know, because I'm going to play it. I love playing this game. It's pretty awesome, even though it's not Marvel Spider-Man 2, but I'm going to enjoy it anyways.
We're back together again.
Not like that.
Shame.
Bro, me personally, Peter Parker, I don't know what I do. See, basically, back in 2018, you know, when this game came out, I was in, um,
Now let's find it. We can talk about that.
bro, Peter, she's playing you, bro. Like, it's that I can see this. Like, it's literally this obvious. If she's trying to postpone talking about that subject, it's very obvious that she's trying to hold you and try to play you until at least until she get what she wants. Like, that's too obvious, Peter. I understand that you were tangling some webs back in the day.
I mean, it's no big deal or anything. I know you're super busy.
Now, this game, I really did enjoy just seeing how Miles developed and whatnot before he actually became Spider-Man in the game, which is pretty interesting. I actually like the way they did it instead of just like giving him a new game out of nowhere for no reason, like after just seeing him get bit by a spider. But yeah, I do see how Peter was like trying to not be chill, but try to be a little protective with Miles because obviously he's younger and whatnot, and he knows his mom, Rio Morales. And speaking of that, I haven't seen the full gameplay yet, so I might, if I see this, I don't know, I don't want to introduce any spoilers, but before I actually watch the full gameplay, since Venom is confirmed to be in the game, like from 2022, 2021, 2020, around that area, it was noted that Venom was in the game, and we all know what happened in the comics. If you saw that, if you read those comics before, I really don't
Yeah, I
read
followed
comics
up on
that
that license
often,
plate.
but I do
It's registered to a
watch a
store
few
typically
comic
owned by
story
one of
videos and
Hammerhead's
just catch up on
friends.
some stuff,
And they're
comic
not.
references and whatnot. But yeah, we kind of do know what happens with Miles' mom in that comic, so I know they're gonna do that. I even still don't know who Venom is yet, but
The boy is being held here,
how do,
and if he
I don't know.
is,
Let's not spoil it because for those of you who haven't watched the
keep this a
game or
secret.
even some of the gameplay yet,
Stop it.
I'm not gonna spoil it for you yet, at least till like it comes out and a lot of people start playing it.
Got anyone?
Okay, I do like these missions, but like the MJ missions
lot of cash.
kind of get on my nerves because like it's like extremely stealthy, and some of the characters or the henchmen or whatever just are looking like they don't even know what's going on. Like you can walk right by them, especially in this game, and they won't even see you. Like they're just like don't know what happened unless you didn't win. Like I literally walk like and seriously, in one part of the game I walked right by them and they didn't notice me. Like especially with that, like the guy's all the way over there. I understand like he was paying attention to the car, but like shouldn't he have seen some guy fall down? Especially with that, like how'd she escape? And again, this is a game, so I guess it doesn't really make any sense. But yeah, anyways,
Sorry.
yeah, me personally.
What are you
And
doing
Peter,
here?
didn't you just eat a pizza, man?
Why do you smell like pizza?
Because I just ate pizza?
Well, while you were out enjoying lunch, I was gathering evidence and trying to find a missing child.
I ate as fast as I could.
I've got stuff to follow up on. I'll call you later.
Note to self. No upside downies after double pepperoni.
Yeah, bro, it's a bad idea. Unless you have like a super fast digestive system like the Flash does, but he isn't really upside down because he's running a lot. But that's not the general point. But anyways, I'll see you next time in the next video and be creative.
Felicia?
is out.